All right, guys, here we are back with a Korean barbecue baby back ribs. That's right, a delicious recipe. Check out the ingredients. Not too hard, but this is a delicious recipe that you guys are gonna love. Freeze it if you have to, but otherwise, guys, this looks good. Are you ready? Come on, I know you are. Let's go. All right, first things first, do not cut the membrane off your ribs, guys. Get you a good quality knife like you see here. This one is a custom Cerakoted job thanks to my friends over here at Burkle Cerakote. Go check them out, burklecerakote.com, for all your custom Cerakoted needs. What you guys are gonna do is just jump right in, start slicing up your ribs. That's right, we're not doing it as a whole. We're slicing these up to do individually. Makes it plated easier, makes the cooking time less, and guys, it's just neater. And take a look at that rib. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Just finish cutting these up just like this. Sometimes you're gonna get that bony membrane. Just go ahead and smash it down with your knife, just like I did right here, guys. Don't be afraid to use your kitchen utensils. That's right, good quality knife. All right, see how that looks? Look at that, perfect individual portion. Next, guys, forget the grill. That's right, we're popping these puppies right into your crock pot. Throw them in. I'm gonna speed it up here so we can get this rolling, guys. That's right, low and slow is gonna be good, and these ribs are gonna come out super moist, super tender. You are gonna be thankful I taught you this. All right, time to do the seasonings. Go ahead and start adding in your salt. Follow that up with your freshly ground black pepper. Now we're gonna come in and hit it with some sage. That's right, pork is paired well with sage. Gotta have it. Now you're gonna come in, hit that with a little bit of cumin. That's right, that's gonna add some unique profile, just like this Dijon mustard right here. Get that in there, guys. You're not gonna stir any of this around. Trust me, just leave it on top. Now you're gonna come in and hit it with some onion salt, and you're gonna follow that up with some thyme. That's right, get that all in there, guys. Look how good this is coming along. Do not mix it, guys. Go ahead, take you a good quality barbecue sauce. I love this 1776 barbecue sauce. If I don't make it myself, this is my go-to sauce. Trust me, it's a great barbecue sauce. No fructose corn syrup. It's all natural, guys. I love it, guys. Now it's time to go ahead and come in with a good saucepan, and we are gonna make that Asian-inspired flavor for this profile. Go ahead and add you some sesame seed oil, followed up by 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. Then you're gonna hit this with some good quality soy sauce. That's right, guys. Just mix it all together. You're gonna wanna let this heat up slowly. Don't overcook it. Just let this slowly heat up. You'll notice here in a second. Now, as you can see right here, it's starting to get liquidy like a syrup. This is the profile you are looking for right here. That taste is so good. Next step, guys, get ready. Just pour it right in there. That's right, glaze over those ribs. Just pour it all in there. No need for no water, no nothing. The syrup, the barbecue sauce, and the moisture in the meat is gonna render down into a beautiful Korean barbecue flavored sauce. Top that with some butter, followed by your cloves of garlic. I kind of went overboard on the garlic, but we love it, and it did not alter the flavor. Go ahead and hit that with some more salt. Now, hit it with some sesame seeds, guys. That's right, gotta have the sesame seeds. The next ingredient, guys, is star anise. You're gonna add 3 of that to the pot. You can find this in the description below via Amazon. I'll put that down below for you guys. That's gonna give it a unique profile. Do not mix this. That's right, just throw a cover on it, cook it high for 2 to 3 hours. While that's cooking, guys, the last 13 minutes, go ahead and get your rice started. Add you some oil to a pan, clean washed rice, just drop it right in there. Now comes the flavor profile: salt, pepper, and add you in some freshly cut up coriander. That's right, this stuff is gonna profile the flavor of the rice, keeping that unique profile that you are looking for in an Asian inspired dish. Now we did 2 cups of rice. We're gonna come in with 3.5 cups of water. Then you're gonna wanna give it a good stirring, and all you are gonna do after you stir this, quite simple. Turn the heat up to high, put that cover on it, and let it go. Once it starts to bubble up high like this, turn it all the way down to low to a simmer, and with the magic of time, your rice is already ready to go. go ahead and get you a fork, and you're just gonna go ahead and fluff up your rice. This rice is gonna be tasty. It's gonna be cooked perfectly, not sticky. It's just the right consistency. If you notice it's got a little bit more moisture, that's okay. Go ahead, put the lid back on, and then let it simmer for a couple more minutes. Just make sure to take the lid off and re-stir, because you do not want to stick it to the bottom of the pan. But as you can see right here, guys, that's perfect. That is perfect white rice. Let's go to the next step. That tastes good. Thanks to the power of time, guys, your ribs are ready to go. Look at that sauce. Look at the ribs. It's all incorporated into some amazing flavor. These ribs are so moist and juicy. That is right. Plate this on the white rice, add you some peas, and top it with your Korean barbecue sauce from the pan. That's right. They're gonna love it. Like I said, I'll eat one day. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give us a like and a follow. Wouldn't hurt to give that subscribe button a good smashing. Thank you for watching Cooking Time with Johnny, where it's always simple, fun, delicious recipes with a country twist. Thank you.